In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find URL parameters on GoHighLevel. URL parameters are those extra details at the end of a link that help pass information like source, campaign, or tracking data. Being able to see them clearly is essential for troubleshooting forms, tracking performance, and verifying that your page is receiving the right inputs. Let's walk through the process step by step in a simple, reliable way. Start inside your GoHighLevel account on the main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation, open the Sites section. This area holds all your web assets and is the quickest route to the pages where URL parameters will appear. It keeps your pages organized and makes it easy to get to the exact place you need to inspect. Within Sites, choose Websites. You'll see a list of the websites associated with your location. Select the website you want to work with and click into it. If you manage multiple brands or sub-accounts, take a second to confirm you're opening the correct one. That little check helps you avoid chasing the wrong data later. Once you're inside that specific website, navigate to Pages. This view shows every page tied to the site. Find the page you care about and click Edit. Opening the page in the editor matters because it loads the full builder interface and reveals the complete address you'll be inspecting rather than a shortened or preview link. With the editor open, look to the very top of your browser at the address bar. You'll see the secure HTTPS link for the page builder. That full address may include URL parameters. Parameters usually start after a question mark and appear as key value pairs, like example key == example value. If there are multiple, they're connected with ampersands. For example, you might see something like source == website followed by more items joined with, and everything after the question mark is there to pass information along. If you're troubleshooting tracking or form behavior, this is where you confirm exactly what's being sent to the page. Read the parameters carefully. Some values may be URL encoded, so special characters appear as symbols or codes. That's completely normal. Consider copying the full URL into a note so you can review it without missing any characters. Also remember that parameter names can be case sensitive, so source and source might be treated differently by your tools. A few tips as you review. Avoid sharing links that include secure or private tokens. Stick to general tracking parameters like common UTM tags when collaborating. If parameters aren't appearing, double-check you open to the correct page